So we just filmed a YouTube video and we took Belle to Petco and we let her buy whatever she touched. Even if it was something that she would never use, because we have so many dogs and they're all different sizes. So we're like, one of them's gonna eat this or use it at some point. And I was really surprised at what she picked.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a
Okay, so right now we're in Petco and we are filming with Belle, who is my little chihuahua. Whatever she touches, we have to buy. So I'm really hoping we made it past the cats already, so we didn't have to go and get a cat. But we're gonna just follow her around and see what she wants.
Hopefully not a cat.
Yeah.
I doubt it. Let's see if she touches anything. See if she even touches anything.
I hate that thing!
Has she touched anything yet?
No. At least she's too tight on her. She's got a whatever.
Oh, touched it.
What'd you touch?
The
No, you
smart
did
cheese.
not. You kidding me right now? Awesome. Yeah, we're gonna need a basket. She's starting big already.
Belle, don't touch that. Do not touch that, Belle. Belle, no. Oh no, she's touching dust. Just go.
She always knows her place. She's got style, she's got grace. She's a winner. She's a lady.
She just touched them.
Touch what?
The large ones too.
What is it?
Aging
Aging
care.
care. Well, she is slightly old. What? Where's she going? She's gonna pee, isn't she? What? She did not.
Yes, she did, I promise. She just touched that.
This thing is huge.
That is never gonna fit you, Belle.
We have ketchup. What size is that?
It's a medium.
Medium?
Which one do you want? Which one do you want? You want either?
No!
Oh, that's the one? Okay.
She stepped on it.
We'll get that one.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a
Oh, you want pea pads? Okay, we'll get you those.
Really?
We agreed to let her get whatever she wanted.
Machine. That's what it's called.
Let's see which one she likes. Do you like that one? Okay, what about this one? Which one do you like?
Those are cat beds. It says.
Yeah, they are. Those are cat beds. Belle, do you want a mousey?
Climbing the wall, that one.
Oh my goodness. Get me out of here! That is a one determined mouse. What is it? It's a hamster. It's not a mouse. Look at the hamster.
You want one of those?
Do you want a hamster?
He's like looking at it. He's like,
We forgot, Belle. This is about you.
oh, sorry. Let's do all the things that you.
What if she touches a fish?
You want to finish, that's why.
What if she touches
Not
one?
gonna touch the fish.
We're going to the beds, Belle, okay? Oh my gosh, lamb chops play along. The best. Okay, Belle, you choose a toy. ugly. I hope you don't choose this one. That's the one.
Oh my god.
Okay. This is the one you want. Do you want this one? Do you like this one? Okay.
Yes, I do, please.
Is this the one?
Please, it's better than that, please. Oh, she hit that one.
Did she really? Yeah, but that
I
wasn't.
promise you she did as you were putting it back.
But that one's really ugly. Did you hit this one? That's cute. Fine, we'll get you the other one. It's the ugliest toy she could have picked.
That doesn't match anything in the house. Let's say nap. Namaste in bed. You idiot. Oh, let's see. No way. Oh my gosh. Well, that was easy.
Wow.
See? You like that one?
Okay, they can have this one by the fireplace.
Yeah, that'll work.
Wait, she
Very
needs another.
comfy. She's touching the lamp.
Alright, well, this is kind of
She loves
turning out to be a little bit more expensive than we thought it was gonna be.
We're broke.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
The spot, dude.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
She did not just pee. What do you think you're doing?
Is he clean?
Who? You're ashamed of yourself. I'm in the store. Mom's making dinner.
This video took an unexpected turn. It's okay, accidents happen.
Alright. See what the damage is.
Going into HomeGoods and it kept interrupting like every 2 seconds, and then it was making these two are interrupting me driving.
It's a musical over here.
I'm beyond. It's like beyond not having patience. It's beyond not having patience at this point. I'm just gonna sing really loud about babe. Alright, Belle. Cause it's ladies' night.
It's ladies' night and the feeling's right.
Wait, babe. I don't want to get run over.
How about you get that furniture set over there? It's about $1,000.
Alright, we're coming up to our first big ticket item. And
I'm gonna get it.
oh, she won't touch it. Alright, let's go. Here we go, we've got more beds here, Bellsy.
Beds here, Bellsy. More beds. Come on,
So
now.
we can
Pick the pineapple.
choose.
Come on. You know you want it. Just look at she wants it. Yes, she does.
No, she knows what she wants.
She knows.
Hi, little one.
Say hi. It's okay. Good girl. I love his outfit. Oh, both of their outfits. Oh, that is so cute. Right, Bellsy. Come on. Oh, they don't something over. Thank you. Look at this. It's a stroller for dogs.
No.
Alright, Daddy said no. So. Alright, so we're supposed to be looking for stuff for the dog. You touched the blanket one. No.
That was so staged. It was all fake. It was all fake. She got pulled into that one.
She didn't. She wanted it. Okay, Belle. You have shopped more than you have ever shopped before.